Hello everyone. If you've ever wanted to turn data or ideas into polished visuals without spending hours designing them, then this video is for you. After watching this video, you will stop presenting your data with boring, static tables. Today, I'm going to show you how to build viral-style charts, animations, and interactive strategy boards apps in minutes, using NotebookLM and Google Gemini 3. So let's get started. First, open a new notebook in NotebookLM. We don't have a dataset yet, so we'll click on Discover Sources to use the Fast Research feature. In the search box, we are going to ask it to find historical monthly active user data for the biggest platforms. Once NotebookLM pulls the sources, we need to clean it up. We don't want paragraphs of text. We need a clean table for the animation engine, so I'm going to drop in a specific prompt. So I ask it to structure the data into a CSV table with year, platform, and user count. Look at that. It gave us a perfect table: year, platform, and user count in millions. We just need to copy this entire table. Now switch over to Google Gemini, click the Tools option to open the Canvas feature, paste your data, and then we are going to use a mega prompt that tells Gemini exactly how to animate this. We want brand colors, smooth transitions, and a moving timeline. Hit Enter, and watch this. Gemini writes the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for us. Click Preview or run the code, and there it is. A fully animated, professional-grade race chart. You can see MySpace dominating early on, then disappearing as Facebook explodes, and watch TikTok zoom in at the end. You didn't write a single line of code, and you didn't spend hours searching for data. Try this workflow for your next presentation. But here is another best part. Click the Share button in the top right. You get a public link. Now you can send this to anyone, and they can view your interactive chart right in their browser, instantly. Let's try a second example, a smart travel planner. So back in NotebookLM, I'm researching a 10-day Japan itinerary with costs and vibes. But I don't just want a blog post. I need structured data. So I ask it to extract every activity, the specific vibe, and the estimated cost in yen. So here's the mega prompt, and then submit it. And just like that, it converts hours of reading into a clean data set. I'm going to copy this entire table. We'll need it for the next step. Now head over to Google Gemini. Again, select the Canvas tool and paste that data in. Here is the magic prompt. I'm telling Gemini to build an interactive dashboard with clickable cards and a live budget calculator. I want to see the total price update instantly when I select an activity. Hit Enter, and look at this. It didn't just write text, it coded a functional web app. I have columns for Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. It built a functional app. I can filter by nature or history, and watch the top right corner. As I select activities like team labs or a Wagyu dinner, the estimated cost updates in real time. Imagine planning a group trip like this. Just click Share, copy the link, and send it to your friends. Now everyone can interact with the plan on their own phones. Try this workflow today. If you enjoyed seeing this, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next workflow.